As an auto glass business, how you can stand up before your competition, how you can get more leads, more clients, and grow your business, and especially in these hard moments. On the end of the video, I will let you know one strategy what less than 1% of your competitions are doing this. So you have a big chance to implement this. But before I will tell you this strategy, we will begin with basics of your business, what it needed to be in order to get more clients in your field. So let's begin with basics. You need exposure, so you need people to find yourself, find your business. They need to see you are available, and how you can do it as cheaply and as simply as possible. First, you must be on Google Map. So if I am living near your business and I am searching on Google Map auto glass services, auto glass repair or something like this, I need to find your business. And on Google Map, make sure you're not just entering your name, but you will have your name, space, minus, space, and some keywords people search. For example, auto glass repair and the city you are in, the city your business. This will help Google algorithm to understand, okay, you are this type of business in this location, you are offering these services. And also in description you can write a small description and also to contain these keywords on your description. And it's very simple to do. If you will add some pictures of your business, even better. If you have more reviews, Google will boost you higher on the Google Map. So it's amazing. And about Google Map, make sure you will follow our channel, and we'll reveal more details about Google Map and how you can stand up with Google Map. But let's move to another part. So it's cheap, it's simple to do Google Map, and the same is with Facebook. You can create a Facebook page, you can have some images and some posts about your business, but unfortunately on Facebook you will not have so big exposure. On Google you will not be first. People usually don't search on Facebook for auto glass business, but it's good for your trustworthiness. So people then will search your business and will see, okay, are this business open, they are operating, they will see your posts, they will see some images, and they will be convinced, okay, yes, this is a good business, I must go to them, they are close to my home and I want their service. And this is also not expensive to build a Facebook page. You can create by your own, and again about Facebook page, more advanced, we'll make another video. But for you, for now, at least create this and have at least one post a month. And what you can post on Facebook? Some pictures of your recent work, pictures of your shop, and so on. People on Facebook want to see you are active, you have a business open. They don't search for maybe certain tips and tricks about glasses. They need a repair of their glass. They'll look very fast on your page. Yes, they are open, they are operating, they have decent shop and they are doing glass repair. Yes, I will go to them. Okay, this is a simple way to do. And also, if you want to invest some money in this, you can boost your pictures, your posts to your geographic location. On Google you will be able to boost for geographic location, select age appropriate target and boost them. Maybe you will not see big results. Facebook not giving you very fast clients. Google Map is giving you very good clients because they are searching for this service. On Facebook they'll just, oh yes, if I'll need go auto glass, I know this is the page I might like, or I may think maybe in future I will need, or I have a small problem but not now, maybe later I will do it. So Facebook is kind of for later. So they will be a kind of a database of your community, of your potential clients. So second is Facebook. Third is a landing page. You must have a landing page in order to stand out before your competitions. If you have high competitions in your area, you need a highly effective landing page. And this is for an example of a landing page we built for autoglass business. And what is interesting, people when search on Google for autoglass service shop, they will find a couple of websites, they'll open a couple of them, and they will look on each of these landing page if they will find right information for the visitors. So they actually don't know what to search. They look if they're autoglass, if they're clothes, but also landing page can boost some credibility of your business. You are trustworthy, and when they'll open your landing page and they'll compare to competition on your landing page, they will find this information. Oh, amazing! But on your competition, they are not finding this information, or this information are not speaking to their heart. Yes, this is a reliable business, I can trust them, will make a good service. So they'll close competitors' website and they'll stay on your, and they will call you, they'll request a code from you, and this is what you need, a highly effective landing page. We want to help you with this landing page. If you need one, make sure you will check our service page and we will make one for you. And now one dog is near me and don't want me to record these tips for you, but I hope this will be okay for you, even with dog laughing. Let's move to number 4. So we have Google Map, Facebook, landing page, and if even you have all these, landing page cannot be effective if you will not have visitors to your landing page. So you need very good visitors to it. And how you can have good visitors? By advertising. And what type of advertising you will need? Let's begin with Google search. You will have Google AdWords. In the past it called Google AdWords, now it's Google Ads. And on Google Ads, you are paying to Google to get visitors to your website. And actually, this client who we built the landing page, he did in past Google Ads, but with not right settings. And even with not right settings, he get a decent amount of people who contacted him. After optimizing all this campaign and making sure all is set up correctly, we lowered the price for every potential visitors to the website. So we calculated for this year he will save, I think, more than $10,000 with these settings. So with old settings he made okay business. With new settings he can lower the budget and have the same amount of clients. But he decided, okay, no, I want back my amount of money invested, and I want even more leads. So he will double, triple the number of leads coming through his landing page. And with highly effective landing page, he's not just paying for clicks. When somebody enters the landing page, he decides to stay with him and go and order his service because he trusts him. So number 4, very important, have good advertising. You can start with Google search, how you know, and after you will learn more, and you will optimize your campaign and have more leads. Or you can request our service and we will do all this for you. You decide what works best for you. And I promised a 5. I promised for you a secret. Not every business is doing this. Actually, if you are feeling confident, you are okay, or even if you are not okay, take your phone and record some videos, video testimonials of your clients, some video how you are working on a car, some videos how you are explaining some little details, very important details, some video materials. If you will record this type of materials, kind of vlogging, kind of video promotion, but with your phone, not go crazy with our equipment, with your phone. People now like authenticity. They like to see real things what is happening now. They are tired of fake videos, fake advertising. They want to see real, and they know you are a small business. You cannot afford very expensive equipment and video promotion. And even when they will see this very high quality, they will question this. Why is this so high quality? Maybe it's not something right with this business. So if you have very simple, with your phone, you will hold your phone and you will record some videos explaining, showing, maybe talking with customers. This will help to boost your credibility, and you will become a very trustworthy business. They will see, yes, you are not afraid to be in front of a camera and speak about something. You are in this community. I can feel you. I can on the video you at least can feel myself. If I will write an article, you cannot imagine myself. But if I'm recording right now and speaking to you, at least you see, okay, I don't have so good English. I'm not native on this, but I want to help. And if you need this help, you will request it. So the same if with auto glass shop, you can make some videos and you can boost your credibility very high. So make sure you will start from this moment, because later more will do this, more people, more businesses will do, and it will be much harder for you to stand up and build kind of community around your business. Okay, I hope this was useful. If you will watch till the end, I'm expecting this was useful for you, and if it was useful for you, you can help us also by at least appreciate this video here, and if you need more tips for your business, please subscribe, and yeah, see you in our videos. Thank you.